Okay. So now we will I will start like what all things we will be covering basically inside this program. So inside this program we have basically we have made it a master program. Why? Because like it has like ServiceNow administration development and then uh, knowledge about ITSM. So mostly we will be utilizing ITSM as a product for uh, giving some scenarios or writing any script or whatever demo or showcase will be happening. That will be around ITSM. We have Agile 2.0. So I will be telling like what is like Agile and CMDB things inside ServiceNow. So Agile is basically the software model which we will follow. And we have CMDB plus integration. So CMDB side, there will be basic information related to this CMDB. And integration, we will cover one end-to-end integration, like we are bi-directional integration, basically from one of the third-party system. So this program will have these 4 or 5 things like admin development, ITSM, Agile, CMDB, and integration. And now moving ahead, we will see the duration. So duration side, basically the duration we have 45 to 50 hours. So mostly we will be having each class around 1.5 hours of class each day, like whatever time we will be having. And yeah, that is fine. And now we have our course objectives here. So inside course objective, basically we have like ServiceNow scripting, understanding ServiceNow administration and development, and then automation using integration. So basically automation happens through workflow as well. So under ServiceNow administration and development also. So automation basically happens everywhere. So whatever things we will see or whatever we are doing, so we are generally trying to create some automation, right? And automation using integration will be the interaction with third-party system, and then doing the integration, and then checking on CMDB, like what is CMDB and how it is utilized under ITSM module as well. Under course details, we have ServiceNow overview, where we will be talking about ServiceNow introduction, UI, and ServiceNow architecture, application navigator, branding, list forms, filters, and so under this overview, we will be having like tables and the data and the user and group administration. So moving further, we would be having on other platform other aspects. So if you see import set, well, you want to load the data into ServiceNow system, like from Excel sheet. Mostly the Excel we use to load the data in ServiceNow, and then we will see like what happens, how it will load the data in ServiceNow. So I would be telling about that, and then we will be seeing one demo also with most of the topics we will be using, and we will be having some use cases also for each of them. Yeah. And inside ITSM, so ITSM side, we would be covering incident, problem, change, knowledge, service request management, update set. Update set is like common topic. Basically, update set is utilized all the places, not only on ITSM. Reporting, and then we have the service catalog. This also comes under ITSM. And talking about catalog items, so workflow is the key thing. Workflow is utilized more inside this. And we have development side. So development side, we have client side and the server side. So 2 things are there inside scripting first in development. And ServiceNow holds its own API, like which uses the concept of JavaScript, but they have their own API, which is like very easy to use and very easy to find. Server side, server side will be more interesting one, because we would be having more aspect and more exposure towards the customization, validation, or automation. So this server side scripting plays an important role inside that, right? So moving ahead, so we have so this is part of scripting itself. Date, time, glide, aggregate, schedule, job, UI, action, these all run server side. And now we have CMDB. CMDB, we have introduction, overview, and how it can be used, right? And CI configuration and CMDB class manager. And we have parent-child CI relationship. Basically inside CMDB, the main thing is relationship, like how they are linked with some features or application inside any assets or the CMDB data, and then the relationship is there, and how that relationship builds like child or the parent, upstream, downstream. And then at last, we would be covering the integration part, where we will talk about what is REST, what is SOAP, what is table API, okay, and introduction to, so this will come like in REST and SOAP introduction, and like what is good to use, what is not much recommended in between REST and SOAP. Then we would be having one bi-directional communication, like from ServiceNow to other system and other system to ServiceNow. So here we are talking about if we are doing integration with another ServiceNow instance, so how we can do it, right? And integration using catalog item submission using workflow. So that also we will try to cover. And then Jira side. So we have taken Jira as a system for third party, where we will try to integrate ServiceNow with Jira. And now if you see, we would mostly at the end you will be seeing like you have some skills on ITSM, agile development, admin side, and as well as on development side you would be having very good idea like how you can utilize and how you can use it in your project basically. Okay, so now inside this references, so first reference is PDI, so that will be mostly utilized by everybody. So people who are new to ServiceNow, so they have to go with these things. I will explain this today itself, like what is PDI, what is this, what is docs, what is learning, ServiceNow learning site, because that is important, because I know some experienced people might know about it, but some people are new to the ServiceNow journey. So I would cover starting from our developer instance to like what is Now Learning instance, and how you can see like what you can do inside those things, right? So I will try to explain those.